Hello everyone. I'm going to do a quick review on this equipment trailer that I have. It's not a deck over trailer, it's actually an underslung trailer. I use this to move my tractor and farm equipment around quite a bit. It is made by Trail Maker Trailers in Johnsonville, South Carolina. And the trailer has a 10,000 pound, not capacity, is the gross vehicle weight rating. So you have to obviously deduct the weight of the trailer off from what the capacity would be. Trailer seems to be fairly well made. It's got 6-inch channel on the sides. It's got two 5,000 pound axles under it. Got a dovetail on the back, removable ramps. The trailer is a little longer than what I had planned on buying. I actually ordered a trailer that would be 22 feet long, and they had this one in stock, and they basically sold it to me for the same price. So I got an extra 4 feet of trailer for the same price as 22 foot. And there's been times that I really am glad that I had the additional length on the trailer. It's got a drop leg jack on the front. It does not have LED lights. It came with incandescent lights. The John Deere stickers on the side, I put those on there. They're falling off now. And it's currently loaded with a bunch of Christmas trees from the town that I live near. They do big Christmas decorations every year, and when they're finished, they get rid of the trees. So within a few weeks, these trees should be in the lake, and hopefully I'll be catching some bass on these trees later in the year. But overall, I've been happy with the trailer. It pulls well, tracks well. We don't get too much deflection when we load the tractor on it. The tractor I currently have is a John Deere 5075E, 75 horsepower with a front loader on it. And once I put the tractor with the loader on it, and maybe if I got a disc or bush hog behind it, I'm getting pretty close to capacity on the trailer. I don't think I'm over. I've never taken it to the scales, but knowing how much the equipment weighs and how much the tractor weighs, I feel like I'm within specifications, and it handles it well. It really does. It does a good job. It's the trailer now is about a year old, and I do see that there are some places where the paint's not holding up really well. I'm probably going to have to take the time to repaint the trailer before too long. I don't want it to get too rusty. It costs a lot of money, and I want to take care of it. It does have brakes on it, electric brakes on both axles, and the tires are 15-inch tires. The trailer does have these tie downs, these D-ring tie downs all down the side of it, which is very convenient for tying your equipment down. You can actually see here where I've got the Christmas trees tied down with a strap. That all works very well. The tail lights are protected in a box housing. I personally think for a trailer this long that it doesn't have enough clearance lights on it. It's essentially got the one back at the back there, and then it doesn't have another one until you get all the way up to the very front. If this was a 20-foot trailer, I would say that would be fine, but I plan on adding a couple of lights near the fenders just to give a little extra protection. In my mind, if you're going to pull it at night, it should be well lit, especially a black trailer that is that long. It does have the squared off Army style fenders. They seem very sturdy. You can step on them and walk around on them with no problems. They do have the diamond tread on them. Overall, like I said, I'm fairly happy with it. For the amount of money I paid for it, considering that I paid for a 22-foot trailer and got a 26. I'm pretty happy with it. Now, one thing that comes up is, really and truly, I probably should have gone with the gooseneck and got a deck over trailer. But this trailer is rated just heavy enough to do what I need to move with it. So there was probably no need to go overkill with a much bigger trailer. So I probably did fine. But it would have been nice to have a little extra load capacity. And the other thing is, you know, I love the fact that it's not a deck over. It's lower to the ground and easier to load equipment on. But then again, on sometimes I wish I had the full width deck that a deck over provides when you put something that's really wide on it. For my tractor, with the axles set at the width that it's at now, it's not an issue. It goes right between the fenders with no problem. Overall, like I said, very happy. So that's my review.